got the bear spray. He's gonna put it on his fanny pack harness. You prepared to use that?
Just in case.
So we're at Shannon Falls. You can also do the Chief Trails and see the Sky Gondola here. We're just headed for the falls. Mother has actually wandered off to the washroom, so we're going to look for her right now. There were some washrooms back there, but I guess they're occupied. This whole picnic area. Oh my god, look at those. That is a snazzy washroom facility. So we are here at Shannon Falls. We're back at another waterfall. This should be a pretty quick and easy hike. It's like 20-minute loop to the base of the falls. Yep. And we might be doing another one that is a 28-minute loop.
Yep.
And that is...
It'll take you up closer to the falls.
Closer to the falls. Yeah, should be a really easygoing one compared to some of the ones we've been doing. So it'll be good. And we've got a special guest with us today. He's back. Hi. He's got the bear spray locked and loaded.
Everyone's favorite.
Yeah. You excited for this hike?
Sure.
This hike.
Sure. Let's do it.
Let's do it, he says. Watch your feet. Don't want to carry the invasive plants.
Let's go.
Oh my god, you can see it. Oh my god, can you see that on camera? It's like right there. It's so tall. For reference, like we just walked into this park. So it's like pretty close to the entrance. Viewpoint trail is this way. Hey, you guys want to do the Chief?
Yes.
A little creek. That's dog poop. Little baby waterfall over here. There's some people rock climbing, I guess. Up there, up that mountain there, if you can see. Really hard to see from here. I think there's a better view over here. The rock climbing make up this. Could never be me.
This is lookout one at the bottom of the falls.
Wow. So tall. You can see the rock climbers over there. That's scary.
Oh, he's moving. If I wave, do you think he'd see me?
Probably not.
So there's Squamish. We go here.
The person he's with.
That's that waterfall park.
Mm-hmm.
And then we go past Whistler, and there's the other waterfall. There's 3 waterfall parks.
Oh, and they all connect. Interesting. So you could walk this all the way to like Whistler,
No, I don't
Pemberton.
think
No?
so. No, I think you have to drive.
Oh,
like here's we are.
I get it.
then
I
you
get it.
drive up here. There's another,
Yeah.
which is close to Whistler, and then past Whistler, the last one's up there,
Yeah.
and then that's
Pemberton.
Pemberton, BC.
Yeah. Huh. She's so invested in the rock climbers. Like, forget this massive waterfall in front of you.
I do not think I could climb
No. We're headed up these stairs to another viewpoint.
it. This is going to take us a little bit closer.
It's a bit of an uphill trail. Can you handle this, Mark?
Surprisingly, I don't know what it is. But yeah.
Good. Maybe he cut it on the gross grind after all.
I don't think so.
His cardio's good, he says.
And he almost fell backwards now.
I saw that. What do you say?
My legs are starting to burn now. That's what he said.
Feel the burn in your legs?
I'm a little out of breath. Huh?
On that tree, on both sides, that 2 nests.
Looks like just moss, maybe?
At least they have resting platforms in between.
Oh my god. I'm a little bit sweaty. I'm not gonna lie. It's like
Well, we're here.
a little bit humid.
It is.
Maybe we get the second look at that?
Yep.
This is a lot closer.
Oh yeah. Way closer.
Okay, we're at the second viewpoint now. Much closer look at the falls. Wow. You see the rock climbers a bit better too here. He's invested in me. Taking pictures of the rock climbers.
I am invested in these rock climbers.
Okay. So we saw the 2 waterfall viewpoints.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going now?
I don't know. We're gonna go see what else. What
Okay.
other trails? Maybe.
We've only been here for like 20 minutes. If that.
Take.
Yeah. Really, really, really short trail if you want to see these falls and you're not like a hiker. It's like,
It's perfect.
it's perfect. There's like a few stairs here, but it's not
Take
too
your
bad.
time.
Take your time if you're not like super endurance. There's not a lot of stairs at all.
No.
He did it fine, so.
And it hasn't rained in a while, so there's still a lot of water coming down.
Yeah.
I can only imagine what they look like after a good rainfall.
I don't know.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Cool.
Headed this way towards the Sea to Sky gondola. What are you looking at? Oh, his watch time is off. Everything's to the right. It's just don't go that way, I guess. Alright, so we just discovered this trail, the climb. Hazards include slippery rocks and roots, ropes and ladders, short scrambles requiring the use of hands, drop-offs and cliff edges, ice falling, and cliffs in winter. And this is, it starts where we're at right here, and it goes up. Up, 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 up to the summit lodge. And here's the comparison between the climb and the chief. Once we conquer the chief, what do you say maybe we come back here?
I think we could do it.
Just crossing this bridge here. I think we're just arriving at base camp. It's a parking lot for the Sea to Sky gondola.
Yeah. You're if we had our hiking boots, well, you have yours in the car, but if I would have brought mine, I think we could have conned him to start the chief a little bit.
The chief?
And
No.
and just go up a little bit.
No.
And kind of give him a taste of it. He's so gung-ho about doing it now. He is psyched.
He's not.
Chief Pete. That way.
That's how you get to the top of Shannon Falls.
Yeah.
See this guy gondola.
Just so we know, Samantha, we have to pay by phone when we do the tour.
That's okay.
Okay.
Parking lot. But look at these mountains. Wow. This. Mountains. He's psyched.
Yeah. Crazy views.
So we're gonna do our review on the walk back to the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this was a really short hike. It was like 30 minutes round trip. And we even went on a little like divergence to see what was down there.
See where
the sky gondola.
where the entrance to the chief is?
Yeah. Yeah, and there were some nice views from that parking lot even.
There was.
Yeah.
Some really nice stuff.
Definitely. Enjoyability of this hike, 1 to 10. I would say like a 6.
Yeah.
It was easy, but it was boring. Aside from the falls, there's not much really here.
I mean,
It's
if
just
you
kind
just
of
want
like
to go for a walk and have a thing of the falls,
Yeah.
definitely try it.
But for a
It's
hike,
fun.
it was like a little bit
Yeah. It's
slow
like-
paced. And then difficulty 1 to 10. This was a 1. This is a super easy hike. If you're not a hiker, you can do it. If you're not even really a walker, you could even do it. The actual like viewpoints from the falls is like a couple minutes out from the entrance, so
Yeah.
it's like super easy.
Very easy to do.
Yeah. So would you rate it also a 1 out of 10?
Yeah, 1 out of 10. This is.
Yeah. And then view worth the hike
I think
is a
the
10 out of 10 because it's a crazy view of the falls and
Shannon
the hike.
Falls is the third.
Third largest waterfalls in BC.
So yeah, that's pretty nice to see. I'd like
Yeah.
to see the biggest one. We should.
You should look up where that is.
Yeah, maybe take a trip.
Yeah. But yeah, I would say 10 out of 10 worth it because it's like 0 effort and the view is amazing. So
Yeah.
recommend you come.
Try it
and,
out.
Yeah, come check out the falls.
Right.
All right,
Till
we'll
next time.
We'll see you in the next one.